Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to another video here on the channel. My name is Annie, and today I've brought another character, which is Bessie the Cow, this little cow you're seeing right here. And today I'm here to start the step-by-step tutorial. Today we're going to make her head. Bessie the cow turned out approximately 19 centimeters tall. Using a 2mm hook, we're going to use white yarn, this brown yarn, pink and black. Both for the little hooves and for the little tail here, we're going to use black. And for the embroidery, we'll use white yarn. Look, I have the white yarn here and black yarn. We're also going to use blush on the cheeks and ears. As I already said, the hook I'm going to use is this 2mm hook, okay? We're also going to need glue to attach this part of her udders to the belly. I used this liquid silicone glue, but you can use hot glue as well if you prefer, okay? We're going to need pins, a tapestry needle for sewing, fiberfill as well, and scissors. For all these materials, the eyes are 9mm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with that fellow crafter who would love to make Bessie the cow with you. So let's start with the head today in this video. Well guys, the videos I make are usually for those who already know how to make amigurumi, so I always leave the captions of what I'm doing right here at the top. I always leave 2 rounds, so there will be round 1, 2, then 3, 4 written here at the top, as I go, okay? I'll tell you the 2 rounds I'm going to do, then I'll do them and come back to tell you 2 more rounds, and that's how we'll do it. Let's start by making the first round. Start with a slip knot. Secure the yarn, and let's do the first round, which will be 6 single crochets into a magic ring. And then we'll do round number 2, which will be 6 increases, for a total of 12 single crochets in round number 2. I've finished my round number 1. Now I'm going to do number 2, which will be 6 increases, 1 increase in each base stitch. Alright everyone, rounds 1 and 2 are done. Now for round number 3, I'm going to do 1 single crochet and 1 increase 6 times. I'll repeat this sequence 6 times and I'll have a total of 18 single crochets. And in round number 4, I'll do 2 single crochets and 1 increase. I'll repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, I'll have 24 single crochets. So let's work rounds 3 and 4. Remembering, guys, that I do the X single crochet, okay? Most people do it with the V single crochet, but I prefer doing the X single crochet. I really like the result it gives to the pieces. Let's do round number 5, which will be 3 single crochets and 1 increase. We'll repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, we'll have 30 single crochets in total. And after that, we'll do round number 6, which will be 4 single crochets and 1 increase. We'll repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, we'll have 36 single crochets in total. I'll do my 2 rounds and I'll be back so we can continue. Once round number 6 is finished, let's do round number 7, which will be 5 single crochets and 1 increase. We'll repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, we'll have 42 single crochets in total. After round number 7, we'll do round number 8, which will be 6 single crochets and 1 increase. We'll repeat this sequence 6 times, and we'll have a total of 48 single crochets in this round. So let's work round 7 and round 8. Once round number 8 is finished, we'll do round number 9, which will be 7 single crochets and 1 increase. We'll repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, we'll have 54 single crochets in total. All right, everyone, now we're going to work from round number 10 to round number 16, just single crochet over single crochet. There won't be any increases, okay? Just stitch over stitch in these rounds, and all these rounds will end with 54 single crochets in total. So let's work from round number 10 to 16, just single crochet over single crochet. I'll do my rounds, and when I'm finished, I'll be back for us to continue. All right, everyone. I've finished round number 16. Now, in round number 17, we're going to do 12 single crochets, 3 increases in a row, 24 single crochets, 3 more increases in a row, and 12 single crochets. We'll have a total of 60 single crochets in this round. We're doing these consecutive increases on the sides to make the cheeks, okay guys? That's why it's done this way. And in round number 18, we're going to do 9 single crochets and 1 increase. We'll repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, we'll have a total of 66 single crochets. So let's do round 17, then round 18. All right, everyone. Once round number 18 is finished, let's work the stitch over stitch rounds now. We're going to work from round number 19 to round number 25. Just single crochet over single crochet, and all these rounds will have a total of 66 single crochets. So I'm going to work up to round number 25. Stitch over stitch, and I'll be back here for us to continue. All right, everyone, I've finished round number 25, and it's looking like this. Here where we did those increases, you can see it has this little cheek now. If I turn it sideways, it'll look like this. Here the front part has this little cheek. Now let's do round number 26. In round number 26, we're going to do 9 single crochets and 1 decrease. We'll repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, we'll have 60 single crochets in total. And after that, we'll do round number 27, which will be 8 single crochets and 1 decrease. We'll repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round we'll have 54 single crochets in total. So let's work rounds 26 and 27. Alright everyone, I've already finished round number 27, and I took the opportunity to place the eyes. We place the eyes on the opposite side of where the rounds start and end. So here is where we are starting and ending. Let's place them on the opposite side, okay? Between rounds 16 and 17, counting from the top, with 7 stitches between them. If you count the stitches, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you count the holes, if you place it in this hole, it will be 6 holes of distance. I placed it in this hole, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I place it in the other hole. So if you count the stitches, it's 7 apart, and if it's holes, the eyes are 6 holes apart, okay? And guys, when you place them, pay attention and look here at these 3 cheek increases, okay? On this side, I counted from the 3 increases. I have 1, 2, 3 increases, and I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here is the eye. And on this side, I have 1, 2, 3 increases, and I'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It will be 9 on this side, but that's not a problem. It's just to keep it well centered. It wasn't possible to have the same number on both sides, right? Only if I increased the distance between the eyes, and I didn't want that. So this side ended up with 8 stitches from those 3 increases. And here, from the 3 increases, it's 9 stitches. And it's perfectly centered. Now let's continue. Let's do the next rounds, and we're going to do round number 28, right? We did number 27, now number 28 will be 7 single crochets and 1 decrease. We're going to repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, we'll have 48 single crochets in total. And round number 29 will be 6 single crochets and 1 decrease. We're going to repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, we'll have 42 single crochets in total. Alright everyone, once round number 29 is finished, let's do round number 30, which will be 5 single crochets and 1 decrease. We're going to repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round we'll have 36 single crochets in total. Right after that, we're going to do round number 31, which will be 4 single crochets and 1 decrease. We're going to repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round we'll have 30 single crochets in total. So let's work rounds 30 and 31. Alright everyone, we've finished round number 31 here, and we're going to go up to this point in this video. Okay, just until this part of the head. In the next video, we'll do the neck and body. Don't forget to like and comment and to subscribe here to the channel because there will be more cute animals too, other amigurumis for you, okay? That was it then, a big kiss. Stay with God and until the next video. Bye-bye.